of America looks to Target. Each of these retail stores is different. And Target, or Target as you want to call it, up 11%. Comp store sales, much equivalent to Lowe's. The street was at 7.5%. This is comparable sales quarter to quarter, and they did much, much better than that. Their digital comparable sales rose 141%, which really says a little bit about quarantine. So many of those digital products at Target, they're at the home of Joseph Feldman. He is with Telsey Advisory Group. He's watching the Target response come out as well. I mean, Joe Feldman, that really says it all, the explosion in digital sales. Is it a one-off? Do you and Dana Telsey, do you look at the retail surge here as we're quarantined? Is it a one-off, or can it have legs?
Surge that we've seen is certainly looks to be maybe a one-off, but we think that this shift to digital is definitely accelerating the consumer spending patterns. And coming out of this pandemic, we do expect more proclivity towards buying online as the consumer becomes more used to it. More people are trying it right now, and you're seeing very good strength, especially on the grocery side. We think there's going to be a big acceleration in the way people buy groceries, so that could stick around for longer. Maybe not to the massive surge we've seen, but yeah.
Well, I got a million questions, Joe, but the main one to me, and you guys are expert at this because you actually go in the stores, Wall Street has a glide path back. Do the big box stores lead this? I mean, are they really set up for people leaving their homes and getting back to shopping? Is that going to happen this weekend and into Memorial Day?
We don't think it's going to happen quite that quickly. I think there's still going to be gating factors, limiting maybe the number of people in the store. You're still going to be wearing masks for a while. We do think the big box guys will be the leaders in this, and I think that their ability to allow for buy online, pickup in store, and curbside pickup, and all the various ways people can do digital shopping. The big box guys are leading. So Walmart and Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco, they're on the forefront of this.
Joe, are we going to buy differently? So, how we buy will be different, but is it going to be also different items? Will people stock up more? Will they stock less? Are we buying, is there pent-up demand for what people haven't been buying for the last 2 months?
Well, we do think that you're going to see food and consumables buying remain at an elevated level. Maybe not the quite as strong as what we saw in March, but as people are staying home more and possibly even working from home for a longer period of time, as that whole dynamic may shift, you're going to see essentials being a main area. I don't know if we're going to see a big snapback, though, in apparel just yet. I think people are eager to get out there and shop and be social, but it's not clear that they want to spend discretionary dollars yet.